Hello guys, today I'm going to show you a hella glam look so we can pretend that we leave our houses and have normal lives and don't just stay in our room watching Netflix all day. Because on the internet we can pretend. I already primed my face because I started filming and then realised something was wrong. I did not look right, I looked paler than I am, so put on your primer. And then foundation that's full coverage to hide our insecurities. I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty one and it's really good. And I'd rather pay £11 for a foundation rather than, what, like 40? Then we're just gonna dot that on our face. If that isn't enough to hide your face and hide away from the world, now let's put on some concealer. This is the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in Extra Fair, which is their new shade, the 0. But I am very unhappy with this shade range. Even though they have my shade, pale, they do not have dark. And that's what I find with many drugstore brands. I know it's not a problem for me because I am pale as hell. I can find my shade quite easily. It's just so upsetting that people think that makeup is only for white people or something. Let's put it under our eyes. Okay. A fun fact about me is I like Vines and Netflix and like sadly still the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. It's upsetting. It's finished. It's gone. And then we need to do our eyebrows. And I know I haven't powdered yet, but that is because I don't bake because I don't have time for that shit. And also my powder's terrible and it makes me look orange if I bake. So I need to do my eyebrows so I can clean them up with concealer. And for my eyebrows I take the NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in the colour 2. Yeah, you know what I do. You know what I'm doing. And we just take it on our angled brush from Primark because we don't have money for expensive brushes. It's way too fat to use, so you have to pinch the end and draw on our eyebrows. Are filled in. Now we're gonna get our Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer. This Real Techniques a detail brush, and if you're wondering why it snapped in half, it's because I got very annoyed about eyeliner and broke my Real Techniques brushes. It was a tragedy, really. Oh, I just got fucking concealer all over my hand. And now we're just gonna clean up where we need to. our eyebrows on. Now it's time to set our face with a big fat brush. This is also from Primark. I really like Primark. This is just a NYX setting powder. NYX HD photo finish powder. It's good, very good. And just set our face. Beautiful. So firstly, we're gonna take this brush by Olivia Hale, and it's a base eyeshadow brush, and we're just gonna take, I think we're gonna use mostly this palette. I take Custom, which is this shade. Oh, and you can see my lovely tripod that I'm currently using, which is a stack of books. I'm just gonna place that all over our eye. This is the Morphe 15N palette. This is the Collection Matte Nude Rose Eyes Uncovered palette. It's this little one. And we're going to take this big fat crease brush, also by Olivia Hale. I'm going to take a mix of this pink shade and this brown shade just on our brush and dust that in the crease. So after that is blended out nicely, we're gonna take Opal, which is this shade right here, also on our Olivia Hale crease brush, and get it on there. The one bad thing I can say about this palette is that some of the matte shades are really like dusty. A Custom and Opal, like they're really like, they fly everywhere until they're on your eyes. Then we're just gonna put that in the outer portion of our eye and blend it into our crease. Anyone that likes like pinks or like orangey browns and stuff, this is a really good palette. Like, I love all the colours in here so much. We're gonna put this big fat brush away for now and take an angled crease brush from Primark, and then we're gonna put Shook and Goals from here into our crease. We're going to get some of Click and put that under the eye and in the very outer V. Okay, we've pretty much avoided the lid throughout this all. This is going to come in very useful because I can't be asked doing like actual cut crease and doing it with concealer because a bit of a pain in the arse. We're going to take this flat blush, as you can see, it's sellotaped together and it's so old, but you know, it works well. I'm going to take a bit of primer on the back of our hand, and then we're going to go in to a glitter shadow. Well, not a glitter, but a metallic kind of shimmer shadow, and this is going to make it really pop. So we're going to take this one, Creativity, right here on our brush, and we're just going to put that on the lid, right from the inner corner to the center, on any blank space that we have. And what I find with the Morphe shadows, you really have to do this, otherwise they will not show up. Now that it's done, we are finished. No, we're not finished. We're gonna take some of the we're not anymore. Oh, we're gonna take some of the MUA shimmer highlighter just on our finger because my brushes are dirty now, and put that right in the inner corner of our eye. Now it's time to curl them lashes. And because I am not a real beauty guru and I do not wear false lashes, I do not have any false lashes, we're just gonna do mascara. And we're gonna take our old ass, dirty ass fucking eyelash curler that we need to get a new one of and curl them lashes. Curl them up to the gods. I don't know where that voice just came from, that was terrifying. Time for mascara. And this is the Miss 40 Fabulous Lash Stretch It mascara, and it costs like £2. I'm happy with it. It's time to do our face. So we're gonna take this brush, and it's supposed to be a blush brush, but shush, because we don't wear blusher. We're going to take this Makeup Obsession contour powder in light and put that in our cheekbones and a little bit on our forehead. Now it's time to blind everybody with highlighter. I'm gonna go back in with the MUA highlighter. It's an iridescent gold, like a nice pale gold. I am glowing. Now, the final and the very last step is our lips. So we're going to just take this MUA lip liner and line our lips. I think we're just going to do a nude lip for this look. This liner is good for £1, literally. And also, by MUA, this also cost me a whole £1. We're gonna take just lipstick in shade 11, that's all it says, and apply lipstick. So, for £1, I think this is my favourite lipstick. It just goes so well with any look, and I feel like it's really like moisturising as well. It's a really good lipstick. It literally costs £1. So here we are, the finished product of our We Pretend We Have a Life look. I hope you all really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you all want to subscribe to me because I'm really trying to gain an audience of some sort and If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below of anything you want to see from me. Bye bye.